As a quick definition on screen here of what mentoring is, but it's a professional relationship in which the experienced person, the mentor, assists the other, the mentee, in developing specific skills and knowledge that will enhance the mentee's career. And there's lots of benefits, actually benefits on both sides. So I think the mentors get as much from a mentoring program a lot of the time as a mentee. And when our advisory board were talking about this initiative, two of our members felt particularly passionate about. One of them was Katerina, the other Francesca. So Katerina has sent through this video where she's introducing herself, and the idea being she wants to be a mentor, and if anyone would like to be mentored by Katerina, you'll be able to do so.
So my name is Katerina, and I'm heading the global procurement within DECRA with about 13 people in our team, with global category managers, local buyers. DECRA is a veterinary company, and we are the producers of animal health, of treatment, the nutrition products as well, and dermatological products as shampoos, sprays, wipers. I am chemist on my first background, and I was dealing with cancer research, molecules, and doing different programs in all the chemical world. But after that I had to change because it is really very boring to be in the lab. It is much more interesting to talk to people and build all the relationship and to implement all your influential leadership skills. Working today with a lot of gentlemen, I understand that this industry is run mainly by men, and there are not a lot of women in leadership, especially in procurement within this industry. And I think that there are a few things that we can learn and we are able to contribute, because this is all the sort of diversity. We're just complementing each other with different skill set of men and women. And I will be very happy to support someone with her career in procurement area, and just provide my own experience, share my own experience, how it was, help to sort out different issues, to work on the skills, to work on the capabilities, on courage to say, to object, to argue, to achieve the goals, and to be the mentor. And I'm really interested in this, in sharing. I don't want to keep it for myself. I want to spread it and spread happiness and see more and more women in our industry, because we are making the change, we are making the difference. Thank you.
And Francesca, would you mind introducing yourself, please?
Sure. Hi, everyone. I'm Francesca. I'm a global category lead for marketing and sales in global procurement in Roche. I spent my career half in finance, in controlling in particular, for both manufacturing and business controlling, and half in procurement, in local roles, in the affiliates in Italy, but also at global level, and also in other industries, because I also spent 3 years in the retail before joining global procurement again in Roche. And I both manage the commercial piece, and so the indirect part, but also the direct piece for procurement. So why I'm passionate about mentoring women in particular is because I was lucky to have the possibility to attend to a couple of women leadership programs in Roche, but also in a previous experience in retail. And I would really like to give back what I was able to have from those experiences. And Tanya before mentioned, let's work on things we can control. And I absolutely think that the mentoring can exactly go in this direction. So we can control our skills, our capabilities, we can learn from others. We can be aware of what's holding us back and also what's forcing sometimes us back. so that we can tackle. We can see what we can improve in the network space, in the sponsoring piece, in the negotiating for ourselves, so to then have more tools to overcome the issues. So that would be my goal in supporting other women and sharing with other women what I was lucky to have through these leadership programs.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Francesca, for that. We can now, we've just enabled it on the PharmaSource platform, that you can contact each other through the Women in Pharma Procurement community board. So you can contact each other directly, and you can also, within your profile, you can set whether what your interest is within mentoring. If you're interested in being a mentor, or whether you're being interested in being a mentee. And so if you're interested in connecting with either Francesca or Katerina, or would like to be a mentor yourself, then what I'd suggest you do is you go onto the Women in Pharma Procurement community group, and you just post just briefly a little bit about yourself, your name, a short summary of your career and experience, and what you'd like to get out of it. So what you'd like to get out from a mentor or mentee.